Okay, so today I'll be doing the engine mounts on this one, just the back one and the front. But for the back one, using this thing right here. I never done this, but I saw it. I saw people do this. This is the only polyurethane. This is the only whatever this is I could find in the store. So I'm using this to rebuild my rear engine mount because that one messed up. But I'm gonna put a front engine mount or transmission mount that I just got. It's going to be this one. Just gotta, for some reason it's off a little bit. It should be like this. See how it's a little bit to the left. So I'm gonna have to loosen the bar and move it that way. And hopefully it doesn't mess up the alignment. Alignment is not even messed up. I mean done yet, so it's not like I'm gonna mess it up anyways. So I already started taking out the bolts on that one. So I'm gonna take it out and show you guys. That way you don't have to buy new ones and spend a lot of money because those are expensive. So now a bolt in here. So there's 3, 2 in the back and then 1 inside the bracket. So I just have to take that one out. Hopefully I don't have to take out the bracket. Okay, I got a swivel, jet extensions, so that should help. There we go. It's out. Okay, so I did have to remove the bracket. I just took all the bolts out and then I was able to wiggle it around and shit. So I removed it and I'll show you guys how bad my engine mount was. Look at this thing, man. So what I'm wondering about is like, do I remove everything, like all of this, and refill this, or do I just fill up this, right? I mean, the obvious choice always to be remove it, right? But I don't know, I feel like this will help center this where it's supposed to be, like this, and hold it in place. But I think if this broke already, then this is gonna go next. So I'm just gonna take it all out and then try to center it perfectly in the middle. But yeah, okay, so let's do this and see how it turns out. Oh, look at this shit. It's got metal in the middle. Yeah. Dude, so basically the mount was just moving like this. What the hell? Okay, so I'm just gonna do it this way instead. So I cover one end, right? And then I center it and I put tape to hold it in place. And then I'm gonna do this, and once it's dried up, or at least hard enough to not fall out, I must flip it and then do the other end. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so the goal is not to leave any air bubbles. So first I started doing the corners. Now I'm gonna fill up the middle, and I did the center around it, so I didn't leave no air. So now I'm just gonna keep going. Okay guys, so if you go ahead and get started before it's dry, it's gonna start sagging. So I'm just gonna put it back how I had it and wait it up. You see shit? Okay, a day later, still kinda sticky. It's not slimy, but it's more like sticky now. Like if I poke it, my finger will go through. But I think it's good where I can see, I can still move it. No. But I might be able to go ahead and get started on this. Since I took the tape out, a lot of it just came through the hole right there. It made it sink up a little bit right there. So I'm just gonna fill up this side and then leave it this way now. So yeah, and then after that I'm just gonna wait a whole week and see how it feels after a week. Okay guys, so it looks like, you know, like poop. Took like 2 weeks to dry, man, not gonna lie, it's forever. And I would recommend getting a harder polyurethane, whatever, however you say that, a harder one, because this one's too soft, man. Look at this. I mean, it still doesn't really move, you know, but still too soft. But since I'm gonna have the front motor mount, I think both of them added up should be fine. And I don't want to wait 2 weeks again to change this material. So I would not recommend using this one, because this one's too soft, honestly. So just I think the M3, I heard the M3 is better. So yeah, I'm gonna start install it and then see how it feels. Okay guys, so I would recommend going with the 3M, because the one I use is a little too soft. But I'm gonna show you guys that combined with this one, still kinda, it's like really solid, doesn't even shake at all. So let me shake you guys and shake the car, and I'll show you guys how it like doesn't even move at